Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Ray, back at it again with another product review. If you had never been in here before, take a look around the channel, and if you like what you see, make sure you hit the subscribe button. So what I have for you guys today is my first look at the Apple Watch Series 6. I just got mine today, so shout out to my brother for letting me review his watch on this video. We're gonna see what's new in it, then I'm gonna come back and let you guys know what I think about it on another video. But with no further ado, let's just go ahead to the unboxing. So like I said before, this is not exactly the full review. This is more like a first impression video. But as you guys can see, we got that new blue Apple Watch Series 6. It looks pretty dope. I really like it a lot. The blue is one of the colors that I actually think you can wear every day without a problem. Super easy to match, especially because it's a dark blue. I do like what they did with the colors, but there's some new things that we gotta talk about in this video, and that includes the packaging as well. So once you open it up, you're gonna see that something's missing. You do have your cable to charge your watch, but you're gonna notice that your USB wall adapter is not there anymore, just like the iPhone 12. So just like the iPhone 12, the watch is not going to have a USB wall adapter because Apple's really trying to cut down on all that e-waste that's caused by them. So now in the future, you're not going to see any more USB wall adapters in watches or iPhones. Let's just see how that works in the near future. And then we finally got the watch. As you guys can see, the only notable change that you guys are going to see from the outside is literally the colors. Sizes are the same as the Series 5, materials are the same as the Series 5. So the only new thing is, yeah, 3 different colors. So we got gold, blue, and the product red. So when it comes to the inside of the watch, this is when Apple really went off. So they did 2 tech changes. They added a few sensors, but they also added a new S6 chip, which took the efficiency of the watch to a whole new level. So it's a dual core chip based on the 13th Bionic that we see on the iPhone 11, and due to its efficiency, now we have always on display twice as bright as the Series 5, keeps the same variety, and it keeps the same performance as well. Okay, so since I got the watch, I have been using it a lot. Like a lot. It feels faster than my old Series 5 and it doesn't die as quick, so the bright improvements are definitely there. It also charges quicker. It goes from 0 to 100 in about an hour and 35 minutes. It's not a crazy improvement, but it's still better than nothing. And now that new sensor that I actually mentioned before, which you can actually see if you look under your watch well, that's your new blood oxygen sensor. Now it literally uses infrared photography in order to measure the percentage of oxygen that you have in your blood. It's pretty wild if you ask me. I used it a few times. I kept getting consistent readings as soon as I didn't move my hand or anything like that. It's not medical graded, but it's still there, just to give you an idea of where you're at. That alone would have been a reason for me just to buy the Apple Watch Series 6, but you know, it's something new. It's pretty crazy. If you have it, give it a shot. And the last few things are in the Apple Watch Series 6. One of them is the altimeter, which tells you your elevation by foot. Really cool if you like to go hiking or even skydiving. The watch also does sleep tracking, so for those of you who love to get your 8 hours of sleep, this is something that can definitely help you track it. And that's pretty much everything that's new with the Apple Watch Series 6. And that's everything that I have for you guys today. If you made it all the way to the end of the video, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. If you like what you saw, make sure you leave a like. If there's anything that I left out, leave it down in the comments. And I hope you have a great rest of your day, afternoon, night, whatever it is that you got going on. And see you next week in another video. Peace out.